Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the grassland. This is one of the types of natural vegetation from class 7th geography. Firstly, we will try to find out what are grasslands. Grasslands, this is the area of land that mostly contains grasses. The area of land that mostly contains grasses are called as grasslands. These grasslands are found in the regions of Africa, North America, Central Asia, and near the coasts of Australia. The largest grassland is found in East Africa. These grasslands are divided into two types. First is tropical grassland, and second one is temperate grasslands. Firstly, tropical grasslands. These tropical grasslands, these are also called as savannas. These tropical grasslands are also called as savannas. These grasslands lie on the other side of the rainforest in Africa, Brazil, plateaus of South America, Deccan Plateau of Indian and Northern Australia. Rainfall is only between 25 centimeter and 75 centimeters and can support tall, coarse grasses, with few short trees. Many parts of the grassland are used for grazing. These grasslands are the homes of herbivorous animals like elephants, deer, zebras, and giraffe. Leopards are also found in these areas. In these grasslands. So, what are grasslands? Grasslands is the area of land that mostly contains grasses are called as grasslands. These grasslands are found in the regions of Africa, North America, Central Asia, and near the coasts of Australia. Largest grassland is found in East Africa. These grasslands are divided into two types. That first one is tropical grassland and second one is temperate grassland. Tropical grasslands are also called as savannas. In tropical grasslands, rainfall is only between 25 centimeter and 75 centimeter. The grasses are tall, coarse, with few short trees. These tropical grasslands, are mostly used for grazing, and the herbivorous animals which are found in these tropical grasslands are elephants, deer, zebras, giraffes, leopards, and are also found in these grasslands. So this was all about grasslands today. Thank you very much.